Hello everybody, I welcome you back to my channel Legum Sessions. So in today's video I'm going to discuss with you the details regarding two posts, the applications for which were invited by UPSC, and these are regarding the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor and the Public Prosecutor. Now UPSC had invited the online recruitment applications via vacancy number 4 of 2021, under which it had invited the online applications for the post of public prosecutors and the assistant public prosecutors, right? So as you can see in front of you, it is your advertisement number 4 of 2021, and vacancy number 4, okay, talks about the vacancy for the post of public prosecutor in the Central Bureau of Investigation, and your vacancy number 5 talks about the recruitment for the post of assistant public prosecutor, again in your Central Bureau of Investigations. Now those of you who have applied for these two posts, the major questions which we are facing is regarding the examination dates, as to when the examinations for these two posts are going to be conducted. And before that, I would like to inform you that the recruitment to these two posts is going to be done by UPSC through a recruitment test of 2021. So a computer based recruitment test is going to be held by UPSC, and through these recruitment tests your recruitment to the post of APP and PP, as the case may be, is going to be done by UPSC. Now what is going to be the examination pattern for the recruitment test, and what is going to be the syllabus? If you have any kind of queries regarding that, you can definitely tell me in the comment section below, and I would definitely answer all your queries. Now talking about the examination date, I can provide you with 3 tentative dates as to when the examinations may be held. Now these 3 tentative dates are right in front of you. So most probably the examination may be held on 4th of July 2021. If it is not held on 4th of July, then probability is that it may be conducted on 29th of August, or it may be conducted on 12th of September 2021. So these are the 3 tentative dates on which the recruitment tests by the UPSC may be conducted for the recruitment to the post of the Assistant Public Prosecutor and the Public Prosecutor. So start with your preparations, taking into consideration these 3 important tentative dates for the conducting the examinations. Now where the examination will be conducted, those of you who have applied for these posts while filling the online recruitment application, UPSC has already asked the candidates to fill in the preferred test centers. So in those particular test centers, this computer based recruitment test will be held and organized by the UPSC for the recruitment to these two posts. Alright, so this is all about this particular video. So if you want any more information regarding any of the topics or regarding this particular examination, you can definitely tell me in the comments below. Thank you.